Nvidia prepares updated 12 volts -26 power connector with enhanced security. Nvidia is working on a new connector that will be compatible with existing power supplies, according to Igor's lab. The work began after regular reports of problems with the 16-pin, 12V PHWR, version of the connector. Users repeatedly complained of melting cables. Allegedly, the source of the increased heat was the improper connection of the power supply to the video cards. The developers set themselves the task to improve the safety mechanisms of the connector so that it would be harder to connect it to the socket incorrectly. The new connector has been under development for the past few months. It is called 12V2x6 and has to pass standard tests to ensure that all cable versions meet the specifications. The new development is part of the PKBAS6 specification. It is also part of the SIM 5.1 specification that the PCI SIG organizations offer for the ATX 3.1 specification. The PKBAS6 connector will have compatibility with some existing 12V HPWR connectors. It will have different performance and stable power ratings, which may require upgrading power supplies or graphics cards firmware. The contacts on the 12V HPWR and 12 volts -26 will be the same. The new connector will continue to use a combination of 12+4 contacts. The main change will be the length of the pins. They have been moved back so that they only connect after the connector is fully inserted into the connector. The coding will be updated to meet the new standards. Nvidia and PCI SIG are now choosing between two connector designs. Development is at an advanced stage and could go into video cards as early as next year. 12 volts -26 connectors could already be seen on power supplies last month at Computex. In particular, MSI showed the connector in yellow color, writes Videocards.